have my 3 cheesecake pans, and I got these furniture legs from Home Depot. They are 9-inch and they were, I think, almost $4, like $3.90 something cents. And them being, they didn't have anything that was like a different size. They either had like really long or these size or like really, really short. So I am going to cut one of these, or have my husband do it, and cut this so that I have a longer one and a medium-sized one. This is Hearth and Hand Magnolia, and it's just a little knob. It goes like, it hangs down actually, but I got it from Target. I was able to get my husband to cut the furniture legs, and on this one, he cut just the little ball on the top. And on this one, he cut this thing and the ball. So, I don't know, I think I'll just go buy some little knobs to put on the bottom of the tray. Here's the big one. So, what is this, inches? I can't remember. I think it was like 6 inches. I think these were 9 inches, and so I cut 2 off, so that's like 7 inches here. The tall one, and then the medium-sized one, and then the smaller furniture leg, and then the top one, the smallest one. Look at that. I was going back and forth whether I was going to make this a 2-tiered tray or a 3-tiered tray, because I kind of feel like this one is a little bit too big in, you know, diameter wise, like maybe it should have been smaller. And I was gonna add this 3rd piece up here, but if I do that, then it'll hit this. So I can still put this on for when I take it out and put it in different areas of the house to decorate in, but for going under here, which is the main area where I need it to go, I'm just gonna glue these 2 on it. I can put this piece onto here, and then when I take it out into other areas of the house, I can just stick it on like that. It won't be functional, but it'll be pretty. So I'm gonna do that. In order to make sure that I put my bun feet on perfectly, I measured with a dry erase marker so that I can wipe the mark off if I make a mistake. So basically I measured the pan, and this is a 10-inch in diameter, a little spot in the middle, and then turned it sideways and measured each end on the other side. And now I know exactly where to put my bun feet, like that. So now I can glue these down. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the inside to help me figure out where the exact center of this is, so that I can put this in the exact center. Okay, so now I've got the glue on here. I've centered this one, and I've got my bun feet on this one. And so after these are a little bit more set, I'll go ahead and glue this one on, and then I'm gonna put the little knobs in here. So when I come back, you'll see the finished product. Okay, so here it is, it's finished. So now all I have to do is decorate it.